Dubai offers many possibilities to obtain a visa and move to Dubai permanently, also obtaining tax residence there, and therefore benefiting from total exemption from taxation. There are programs for digital nomads, programs for those who open a business, programs for those who invest in real estate, and many other programs that allow you to obtain a visa and move to this city, which is rated by countless polls as one of the best cities in the world in which live, if not the best ever. Today we are talking about the subsidized program dedicated to those over 55, which allows the transfer to Dubai, even for retirees and for those who do not have active entrepreneurial activities. The program allows you to obtain a 5-year renewable visa. To access this program and obtain the visa, there are 3 alternative options, namely, to prove that you have significant savings, or to buy a house in Dubai, or to prove that you have monthly income. However, there are minimum limits. For families, this program is extremely convenient because it allows not only the applicant to obtain a visa and tax residence in Dubai, but also to the spouse, to the children, regardless of their number, and even to the beneficiary's parents. It is important that you speak with your tax attorney or other professional before starting any type of tax planning or relocation of your business. Do not hesitate to contact us if you would like us to provide you with the contact information of highly qualified professionals and tax attorneys verified by our network, specifically qualified to help clients in your situation. Finally, remember that laws change all the time. Therefore, it is essential to check the law and force when you decide to relocate.